Well, this is a Honda Accord 2000, I think it's 2004, right? Accord 2.4. Well, some indications to do oil change. Pretty easy basically. Oil filter, normals. Brake cleaner just in case. The washer for the drain plug. Oil, a grange for this. Pretty easy stuff. Honda Accord 2004 2.4. So the bottom, obviously, this is the drain. The drain plug. It's already nothing, but you can see the hole. Right. The engine pan, the engine oil pan. Pretty easy to see. Transmission always looks different, so you won't do that. You see the directions. The engine is the engine. Pretty easy to see. So I have my drain plug. I'm gonna change the washer, remember? So I have my tool. I need this. In this car is a 17 millimeters socket or grange or whatever you want to use. Pretty easy thing. I use my safety, obviously, and just put the plug back, tight it. Tightening is magic too. Tightening is something good. It doesn't have to be too tight. This is for beginners. I want to do that for the beginners. So not too tight, not too loose. You know what I mean? So pretty easy. So yeah, basically you have the Honda. So one more thing that I didn't show you is the filter. The filter is over here. You just can see the old one. So you have to look for the room to get access to it. Use the range that I already showed you. Loose it, put the new one back. The new one also is by hand. Whatever you can do by hand, maximum. That's it. And then after change that, after all that thing, just put the oil, whatever oil you use, no matter. Put it in the thing. It says oil, engine oil. Very easy, very basic. This is nothing. Enjoy it. This one is like, this one I like to put 5 quarts. Then pretty much after that you want to check the air filter, stuff like that, but that's another shit. So pretty much that's it. Fernando. See you guys. Take it easy, guys. This is easy. Mechanic is easy. Just have to focus.